Hey there, photography enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the 5 best DSLR cameras on the market right now. Whether you're a beginner looking to make your first purchase or a seasoned pro in search of an upgrade, we've got something for everyone. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Canon EOS 90D DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS 90D is designed for creators who need a balance of speed, image quality, and video capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just stepping up from an entry-level camera, this DSLR has plenty to offer. Let's start with the design. The Canon EOS 90D has a solid, durable build, making it feel professional and sturdy in hand. Despite its rugged body, it's surprisingly lightweight, so you won't feel bogged down during long shoots. Now, let's talk about what really matters. Capture everything from high-speed sporting events to simple, everyday moments with the EOS 90D camera. Featuring a 32.5 megapixel CMOS sensor, powerful Digic 8 image processor, 4K 30p video and more, it can achieve sharp, stunning results no matter where your photography venture takes you. High-speed continuous shooting up to 10 fps. Designed for 120,000 cycles, the rugged shutter design helps you shoot up to 10 fps during viewfinder shooting, and approximate 11 fps during live view shooting to capture all the action. EOS ITRAF. Canon's EOS Intelligent Tracking and Recognition System can detect and track faces, automatically switching the AF point to optimize face tracking even when looking through the optical viewfinder. AF points and AF area. With up to 5,481 manually selectable AF points, the AF system helps you focus on a specific area during live view shooting. A range of selectable modes include Face Plus Tracking AF, Zone AF, and more. And battery life? It's excellent. The LPE6N battery gives you around 1,300 shots per charge, so you can shoot all day without worrying about running out of power. Vari-Angle Touchscreen LCD. The 3.0-inch Vari-Angle Touchscreen LCD lets you easily capture high-quality selfies, compose and review photos, tap the screen to focus on a specific location during live view shooting and more. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable fast and easy file transfer to compatible smart devices using the Camera Connect app, direct sharing to various web services, remote shooting options and more. So, is the Canon EOS 90D the right camera for you? If you're serious about photography or videography and need a camera that delivers in both fields, I'd say yes. It's got the speed, image quality, and features to keep up with any creative demands. Number 4. Canon EOS 6D Mark II DSLR Camera. Let's start with the design. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II has a solid, durable build that's weather-sealed, making it ideal for outdoor photography. It's surprisingly lightweight for a full-frame camera, and the grip feels comfortable in hand, perfect for long shooting sessions. It also features a fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen, making it super easy to shoot from creative angles or vlog on the go. Whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits, the 6D Mark II's design is both functional and user-friendly. Now, let's talk about image quality. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II is equipped with a 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which delivers stunning images with excellent detail and dynamic range. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low light, this camera performs like a champ. The large sensor allows you to capture beautiful bokeh, making your subject pop while keeping the background soft and creamy, perfect for portraits. Plus, with an ISO range of 100 to 40,000, the 6D Mark II excels in low light conditions without introducing too much noise. The 6D Mark II features Canon's dual-pixel autofocus, which is fast, accurate, and ideal for both photos and video. It has 45 cross-type autofocus points, so you'll have no trouble locking onto your subject, even in challenging shooting conditions. With a burst rate of 6.5 frames per second, it's great for sports, wildlife, or any scenario where you need to capture fast-moving subjects. Whether you're shooting stills or videos, the autofocus system is reliable and quick. Dual-pixel CMOS AF. High-speed dual-pixel CMOS AF with phase detection offers fast, precise autofocus in live view. 4K and Full HD time-lapse video recording automatically combines still images captured over specified intervals, showing changes to a subject or landscape in a short amount of time. Compact and rugged design. The EOS 6D Mark II camera is lightweight and durable, remaining capable in a variety of scenarios. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II also comes with built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth, making it easy to transfer photos to your phone or control the camera remotely. You can quickly share your shots or even use your phone as a remote viewfinder for those hard-to-reach angles. So, is the Canon EOS 6D Mark II still a good choice in 2025? Absolutely. It's a great option for photographers and videographers looking for full-frame performance at a reasonable price. With its solid build, stunning image quality, and reliable autofocus, it's perfect for anyone from hobbyists to professionals. Number 3. Nikon D780 DSLR Camera. The Nikon D780 is built to last, with a durable magnesium alloy body that's weather-sealed to protect against dust and moisture. It feels solid and comfortable in the hand, with an intuitive button layout that gives you quick access to all your essential controls. Now, let's talk about the performance. The Nikon D780 is a versatile DSLR excelling in both photography and video applications. Featuring a 24.5 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, high-resolution stills and video recording are possible, and the sensor features a BSI design for heightened clarity and reduced noise levels to suit working in a variety of lighting conditions. This sensor also enables a wide sensitivity range from ISO 100 to 51200, which can be expanded to ISO 50 to 204,800, along with a quick 7 fps shooting rate with the viewfinder or 12 fps in live view. This sensor also permits UHD 4K video recording up to 30 fps using either full frame or cropped areas. Full HD recording up to 120 fps is available, too, along with integrated N-Log gamma and HLG settings for refined color control. Complementing the imaging, when working with the viewfinder, a 51-point phase detection autofocus system is available, which includes 15 cross-type points for greater accuracy in low-light conditions. When working in live view or recording video, a 273-point hybrid AF system is used that blends on sensor phase detection points and a contrast detection system for quick performance and excellent subject tracking, including support for eye detection AF. At its core, the D780 relies on the familiarity and tradition of a DSLR, including a 0.7x magnification pentaprism optical viewfinder, along with a large 3.2-inch 2.36mm dot tilting touchscreen LCD. Dual UHS 2 SD memory card slots offer flexible storage, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also enable wireless file transferring along with remote camera control from a mobile device. So, is the Nikon D780 worth it? Absolutely. It's a powerhouse camera that offers fantastic image quality, fast autofocus, and excellent video capabilities, all wrapped up in a durable, easy-to-use body. Whether you're upgrading from an entry-level DSLR or need a versatile camera for both photography and videography, the D780 is a solid choice. Number 2. Sony A7 IV Mirrorless Camera. First, let's talk design. The Sony A7 IV boasts a sleek, lightweight body, with magnesium alloy construction that feels durable yet portable. The grip has been redesigned for comfort, and the controls are easy to access, making shooting a breeze. Whether you're shooting in a studio or on the go, the A7 IV is built to last, while still being compact enough to carry with you anywhere. At the heart of the Sony A7 IV is its brand new 33-megapixel full-frame XMR CMOS sensor, paired with the powerful Bionz XR processor. This combination gives you incredibly sharp images with excellent dynamic range. From breathtaking landscapes to detailed portraits, the A7 IV delivers stunning image quality in every shot, even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the A7 IV is its advanced autofocus system. With 759 phase detection AF points covering 94% of the frame, and Sony's real-time IAF for both humans and animals, this camera locks onto your subject with precision, no matter how fast they move. Whether you're shooting portraits, sports, or wildlife, the autofocus is lightning fast and incredibly reliable, so you never miss the shot. Now let's talk video. The Sony A7IV is a beast when it comes to video recording, offering 4K 60 FPS recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. Plus, you get 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording for those rich, cinematic colors. It's perfect for filmmakers, vloggers, or anyone who wants pro-level video quality. And with Sony's incredible color science, your footage will look vibrant and true to life straight out of the camera. It's equipped with fast wireless connectivity options like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can instantly transfer your photos and videos to your smartphone or computer. So, whether you're a pro photographer, a content creator, or just someone who loves capturing life's moments, the Sony A7IV is packed with features that will take your skills to the next level. From its incredible image quality to its unmatched versatility, this camera is the complete package. Number 1. Nikon D3500 DSLR Camera. First things first, let's take a look at what's included in the box. You get the Nikon D3500 body, a versatile 18 to 55mm kit lens, a battery, a charger, and some basic documentation to get you started. Right off the bat, the D3500 feels solid and well built. It has a comfortable grip, and the controls are intuitively laid out, making it easy for beginners to navigate. Plus, its lightweight design means you can take it anywhere without feeling weighed down. Let's talk about the specs. The Nikon D3500 boasts a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which captures stunningly detailed images. This means you can print large photos without losing quality. It also features a range of shooting modes, including a guide mode that helps beginners understand the settings and get the most out of their shots. This is a fantastic feature for those just starting their photography journey. When it comes to performance, the D3500 doesn't disappoint. It delivers excellent image quality, even in low light conditions, thanks to its wide ISO range of 100 to 25,600. You can expect clear, vibrant images in various lighting situations. The autofocus system is quick and reliable, making it easy to capture sharp images, whether you're photographing fast-moving subjects or serene landscapes. Plus, with continuous shooting at 5 frames per second, you won't miss those crucial moments. The D3500 also offers impressive video capabilities, shooting in full HD 1080p at up to 60 frames per second. Whether you're vlogging, capturing family moments, or creating short films, this camera delivers smooth and high-quality video. And with a built-in microphone jack, you can plug in an external mic for even better audio quality, which is a great feature for aspiring filmmakers. For those who love sharing their work on social media, the D3500 features Bluetooth connectivity through Nikon's SnapBridge app. This makes it super easy to transfer photos directly to your smartphone for quick sharing. So, is the Nikon D3500 worth it? Absolutely. With its fantastic image quality, user-friendly features, and solid performance, it's perfect for beginners and anyone looking to step up their photography game without breaking the bank. So, there you have it, the 5 best DSLR cameras for various types of photographers. Whether you're looking for high-end performance, ease of use, or a rugged build, each of these cameras has something unique to offer. Which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more photography tips and gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!